Open the Hatch Sleep app and select your Restore 2. Once in your Restore 2 homepage, scroll down to the Sunrise Alarm section. Locate the alarm you would like to disable and tap the toggle to the right of the alarm to switch it off. Tap Show Disabled Alarms in the bottom right corner to expose the disabled alarms. Tap the 3 small dots and select Enable, or tap the toggle to enable the alarm. Or 2. If you disable your alarms using the physical button, you cannot enable them in the app. If you have any questions, please reach out to the customer support team at Hatch. We are happy to help.